Make a dough ball with the indicated proportions. Rest the dough in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Pound the butter into a square with a rolling pin between two plastic sheets. Roll out the dough into a large circle, 3/4 of an inch thick. Place the butter square in the middle of the circle and fold the edges of the dough around the butter, like an envelope. Tap lightly with a rolling pin to stick the dough and butter together. Roll out the dough to a rectangle. Fold the rectangle in 3 like a business letter so that it forms a square. Turn the dough 90 degrees and roll out the dough again to a rectangle. Fold the rectangle again in 3 so that it forms a square. This completes 2 turns of the dough. Mark the number of turns by pressing your fingertips into one corner. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. Remove the dough from the refrigerator and repeat the same procedure. Roll out the dough into a rectangle, fold it into a square, turn 90 degrees. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle, fold it into a square. This completes 4 turns. Mark the number of turns. Wrap the dough in plastic again and refrigerate for 1 hour. The puff pastry is ready. You can now roll it out and bake it however you like.